Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Mitrade application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, you can tap on the search box and now just type in Mitrade to begin your search. Now from the search results, once you find the Mitrade application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can just tap on it to open up the app, and now once the application is opened up, you can log into your existing account or sign up using your Facebook, your Google account, or your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to start trading using the Mitrade application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.